Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change Facebook Messenger profile picture, not Facebook. Only Facebook Messenger profile picture you have to change. So you just open your Messenger app and go to three horizontal lines of the left corner and go to the circle of settings, and you have to click on your profile and choose the library. So I will select any random photo like this youngsters football club. So I will select it and save profile picture, so it will be change your messenger Facebook profile. So just you have to save this save profile pictures, so it will be saving and uploading on your messenger Facebook. So just simply you have to just put off the, you see it will be put on my blank profile picture on messenger. So this is how to change Facebook Messenger profile. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.